In this video, I'm going to show you the process of purchasing Bitcoin stamps, SRC20 tokens specifically. And before we get started, I want to show you the two main marketplaces. So Stampscan.xyz is where you're going to find the most available. The other marketplace is OpenStamp.io, another great option, but very limited supply. They control kind of what they want to put on their marketplace. Whereas this Stampscan, if you go to all, you can see there's a ton available. This is also where you want to go to mint new SRC20 tokens. I'll do a video walking through the process of that, so please stay tuned. To get a sense of which SRC20 projects have the largest market cap, you want to go to stampmarketcap.com, and you can see it very clearly here. Stamp is by far the largest at 99 million, and Kevin is the first meme SRC20 at 17 million market cap. Another great site you want to bookmark is stampchain.io. You can kind of see visually what is trending. This example, I want to go back to Stampscan. In this case, I'm just going to take this one, STMAP. Another thing I'll show you quickly too is if you click on STMAP, this is where it's going to show you the holders. So right now there's 230 holders. This is where you can see the holder count. Looks like it's been going up. Let's go back to trade. So again, just to get an example, here's Stamp. Let's click on that one. Again, this is the largest market cap, SRC20. You can see what's available. And if you were to click on it, this is where you can analyze the token. So it has almost 4,000 holders. Price has shot up quite a bit since, it looks like the beginning of December. So let's go back to trade, and then let's walk through the process now of actually making a purchase. So here's what's available. I like to look at trade history just to see how liquid it is. Today is the 20th of December, so you can see there's already been quite a few buys today. I'm going to go to Stamp Market Cap. I'm going to click on STMAP just to take a look at what the actual price is, 2 cents. Let's go back to Stampscan. So here's what's available for purchase, right? You have amount, and then the unit price, total price, and this is the trade history. These have sold. So you can scroll down and take a look at what the actual price history has been in the past, just to get an idea. So definitely take your time and analyze trade history before jumping in, because again, trade history is going to show you if there's any liquidity in the token at the moment. None of this is financial advice. These are very risky. STMAP, I've done some research. I like the idea of it. It's an artistic collaboration pixel art project, and it's backed by the STMAP token. Right, if you go to the website, you can read all about it. It's actually an SRC20 token that has potentially some really good utility. I'm not endorsing this, not financial advice, but I like this one, okay? So that's why I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of purchasing it. You want to look at the amount, the unit price, and the total price, obviously. I'm going to look for amounts of around 10,000. All right, I found one here for 10,000. The amount is 10,000 STMAP tokens, and here's the total price, okay? So I'm going to click on buy. I'm going to connect my wallet, and you can use Unisat, Lether, or OKX wallet. We're going to go with Lether, connect Lether. Okay, so we're going to look at this in detail here. Seller price, this is what they're asking, $303, right? Or 0.0069 Bitcoin. Platform takes $4.56. The miner fee, the mempool right now is crazy, so everything's expensive, so it's $100. Total fee for this is $408. I'm going to click confirm buy, review it in your wallet, confirm. You'll see this message, you've bought the token successfully. Click here, which will open mempool. And we're going to wait for confirmations. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, be back as soon as this is confirmed. One other site I'll show you while we're waiting is ycharts.com. It's a good place to see the Bitcoin average transaction fee. You can see right now it's very high. All right, it looks like we have 2 confirmations here, 4 confirmations here. So let's go back to stampscan.xyz. Let's click on profile and click on connect Lether, and you can see there's our STMAP token, 10,000 of them, and they are in our profile in our account. So that's how you purchase SRC20 tokens on stampscan.xyz. Again, the other marketplace is OpenStamp. They just have less to offer. They don't bring on SRC20 tokens until their market cap, I think, gets a little larger, but it's a great one to check out. And they also have stamp collections on here, which I'll get into in another video, so please stay tuned for that. I'll put the links to all the sites I talked about in this video in the description. If it was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more Bitcoin stamps and Bitcoin Ordinal related content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.